Let's have a look at how the negative keyword list builder works. Step one is we download our search term report from Google, and I've done this here with a bed and mattress business in Brisbane. And what we've actually got from the last week is over 4,000 keywords within that search term report. Now, what we do is we use a predetermined list, or a list that we've previously built. So if we're starting from scratch, we're obviously going to start from scratch, but we have a lot of keywords here that we allow our ads to display for if any of these words are ever used within a Google search term. So first step here is click on strip words, and what it does, it basically removes all duplicates and strips down everything into a single word term. Now if I wanted to, I could do 2 and 3 and 4, but in this case here, what we generally do is we check all here and select uncheck those two. Basically run through here and untick, I usually untick the numbers for this particular account. 5 foot, orderly is one of the suburbs close by. Might have apartments we allow through. So we're simply now looking for any keywords that we allow to go through as positive, let's call them positive keywords. So if we come here affirming Friday, okay, a couple of misspellings here. 2 words into one, we allow that one through because it's relevant. There's another misspelling. Preschool. Alright, we're being quite strict in this particular account with the keywords that we put in as negative keywords, and that will do us. So what we've done is we've selected 112. So what we'll do is we'll move these, actually I'll just delete that list there. I'll move this list over to this column here. Now this list here, I can simply copy, and I go back over to Google Ads and I simply paste it into my negative keyword lists for each campaign, or as a negative keyword list. Now in the negative keyword list builder, all we're simply doing now is we're going to go ahead and delete the middle column here, the ones that are checked, and we're left with the remaining 23 that we specify as being positive keywords. So again, I can check these, highlight them all, and simply all I'm doing now is add to existing list. Now I have the positive list here. I simply just click over here and I'll click update, and that will add those particular keywords to this list. And then next time when I download the report in another week, any of these particular terms will not show up in this particular column, meaning that it gets cleaner and cleaner and cleaner week after week after week. And then generally I'll have you'll notice here for some of these other accounts here, I've got a negative and a positive. Generally what I do is I build the negative list in here as well as putting it into the Google Ads campaign, because you never know, I might have a similar account in the future that I might need the same list for.